We just got done upgrading the headlights and the turn signals on this 2020 Ram. We got one of the first ones in here at Headlight Revolution, and next up on our list is the fog lights. So if you've got a truck like this without LED fog lights from the factory, follow me. I'm going to show you how to upgrade them to LED and how much brighter they are compared to stock. Now, what I love about these trucks when it comes to installing fog lights is you don't have to take anything apart to get to them. You can reach your arm up, there's no covers, no skid plates, no nothing. Reach up, twist the bulb counterclockwise, pop it out, and disconnect it from the wiring. Now, today we're going to be installing the GTR Lighting Ultra Series 2 bulb. The reason we chose this bulb is because it won our headlight bulb shootout that we did earlier. If you're watching this video and you haven't upgraded your headlights yet, you definitely want to watch that video. It's unbelievable. We cover some of the best brands in automotive lighting and show you exactly what you'd get if you picked each of their bulbs. This one won. We're going to install it in the fog lights. Go ahead and reach up, twist it in place, and connect it to the factory wiring. It really is that simple. Nothing to it. Now, as you can see, not only were those LED fog light bulbs a tremendous upgrade over stock, they perfectly match our headlight upgrades on this same truck. Now, if you missed the headlight video, check that out on our channel. And if you've got a truck like this, click the subscribe button below. We got a lot of videos coming out. We've been working on this truck for a while now, and I'd love for you to see them. Thanks for watching.